Yo, hello. Sasayaw ka ba? Sasayaw ka? Eh, bakit?
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin sila!
That'll make me go. It's crazy, I'm like spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, taking hits and low. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Hear the thing I seen, sure to get low. Ain't the same when it's up that glow. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. With the roll, I got the bankroll. I'ma say that I prefer them to flow. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her roll. Cash ain't no problem, I know where it goes. She had them jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, started got low. These niggas sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Running there, that big booty is flat. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, started got low. What I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap and they ready for shows. Got a Lex made back for the sexy grown. Put tone on the watch that'll make you moan. Two-step, come on, two-step, come on. Now that's good, man. Make sure I ain't gon' plan. Baby girl on the man, I did a rubber band. That's what I told her, her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over there. Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to hold her. Like a pornography poster. She showed her. Jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, started got low. And bag of sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Running there, that big booty is flat. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, started got low. Yeah, she was worth the money. The mama took my cash, and I ain't want it back. The way she bit that bag, got all them papers back. That's too above a crack. I had to handle that. I was always sexy, woman, get me shown and make me want it. 2 in the morning, I'm zoning, and them rose bottles foaming. But she wasn't stop, made it drop. Jordan did that poppin' line, had to break her off that clock. That was fine, just like a glide. Jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, started got low. And bag of sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Running there, that big booty is flat. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, started got low.
You heard first on Butters, Bootlegs, and B-Sides.
Yo.
Wow! Ang gagaling din!
Yo, appear. Nyang.
Okay!
Tatong, kawayan mo si Papa Ronald.
Pero children,
Yeah!
meron din isang magaling dito. Sino yan? Sino yung sumasayaw dito? Sino? Sino
Yeah!
yung sumasayaw dito?
Magsalita ka! Kinukuha ng kita parang sa TV.
Teacher, ngayon ko lang nalaman.
Yung parang sa TV to.
Teacher, pati magulang, tuturuan mo rin. Teacher Wendy. Teacher Wem.
Tabi ka kay Rio.
Next
Punta
year,
ka kay Rio. Dali,
participants
punta ka kay Rio.
tuturuan din ha. May participation din. Tama kayo, children?
Tara, punta ka kay Rio.
Sa siyo din sila mami at daddy sa susunod mo.
Naka-video to.
Okay, next.
Okay.
So, games ulit tayo. Asa kasi yung nursery?
Teacher ni Rio.
Asa yung mga nursery? Ayan.
Ang pastor nila,
Arian, dito ka.
teacher din nila to.
Oo, ito.
Siguro sasamahan sila ng...
Yan, teacher nila yan.
Para maging friends sila.
Yun, yung malis na yung teacher.
O, yung nursery.
Yun, yung pastor.
Si Arica.
Tapos ito si Tatong. Tatong! Papogi mo.
Ganda na tatayawin niya ko. Muna mariti tatong.
Ba?
Kay mama. Orap ka doon.
Ayun sila. Sa yung demonstrator natin. Si Teacher Wendy na lang daw siya kasi.
Yun
Ako, nasa dati ako. Ate ako.
Nakita mo siya kumembot?
Ay, narating lang namin. Naabutan pa namin. Buti nga. Eh, bakit ang tagal nyo naman? Nagigising mo? Natutulog siya. Nagigising mo lang? Kaya ka na rin? Wala ka na.
Okay. So, children, tingnan niyo yung gagawin nila, Ate